Matthew, welcome to class today. I hope you're doing well. Your old math teacher forgot to email you the quiz over the weekend, didn't I? And I noticed you did not email me and remind me. You dog. Just kidding. But, that's the first time I've ever done that, so, my mistake. You get to gain from it, so that's fine. But, that won't happen again. The rest of the year, you can take that to the bank. Okay? Alright, here we go. I'm not sure why that's there. Hold on a second. Okay, here we go. Matthew, because we're at the end of the semester, we're going to change things a little bit. Usually, I give you review sheets on Thursday and Friday, but this week, we have to get the test done a little early, and so we can start reviewing for the final exam. So, Matthew, review sheet today, review sheet tomorrow, okay? Wednesday, Chapter 6 test. Let's say that's going to be due by, I give you 2 days, so Friday. So your Chapter 6 test is due by Friday. Thursday, we're going to review for the semester exam. Friday, we're going to review for the semester exam. Then on Monday, okay, a week from today, I'm going to email the test to you. And that will be, let's see, so next Monday, we're going to review for one more day next week. So we're going to review for your final exam on Thursday, Friday, and Monday of next week. Okay? And then I will email you the exam next Tuesday. I will give you 4 days to take it. So in other words, it is due next Friday. So you have a Chapter 6 test due this Friday, and your semester exam will be due next Friday, and then we're done for the whole semester, so we're halfway done, so good news. Okay, continuing on. Here's the review sheet. Go ahead and copy that down, please, if you would. It's about 51 problems, I believe. Go ahead and copy down the review sheet, please. And then while you're doing that, well, that's not right. Go ahead and pause the video if you need to and copy that down. I'm going to go ahead and move on, okay? The help video is called Geometry Track 1, Chapter 6 Review Sheet. Geometry Track 1, Chapter 6 Review Sheet, okay? And now for the stuff that will be fill in the blanks. Are you ready, Matthew? Here we go. You need to know these definitions. Now I'm going to go fast, so you're going to have to pause the video, okay? Alright. Know these definitions of these terms, okay? Know Theorem 6.2 through 6.11. Those will all be on your test. Okay, all of those will be on your test. Proofs. Okay, on lesson 6.3 video, I told you that there were 4 proofs. If you'll go back and look at the notes from lesson 6.3, I think the video was called Properties of Parallelograms. I told you in that video that you have to know the proof of these 4 theorems. Now, I'm not going to give you all 4 on the test, but you need to know these well, okay? Know these 4 proofs, okay? Now let's quickly talk about 3 things and then we'll be done. Look, I am not going to give these to you right here as fill in the blanks, but you need to be very familiar with these polygons, okay? Because on the test, I might say that you have a heptagon or a decagon or a hexagon, and you need to know how many sides that has, okay? So be very familiar with that. Next, I'm not going to ask you to list these out on the test. You will not have to list these out on the test. However, know these because they're going to help you solve problems, okay? 2 characteristics of a rectangle and square. Their diagonals are congruent. And you have 4 right angles. So please know those. I'm not going to ask you to write them out, but know them. Same thing with this here. I'm not going to ask you to write these out, okay? But I do want you to know these because they're going to help you solve some problems on the test. 3 characteristics of a rhombus and square. The diagonals are perpendicular. The diagonals bisect angles. And you have 4 congruent sides when you're dealing with a rhombus and a square, okay? Alright, that's it, Matthew. Have a good day. Contact me if you have any questions, and I will talk to you later.